अंग्रेजी त म फारेर बोल्छ I talking English, I fucking English, I laughing English, I sleeping English, I running English. Because English is very touchy language and very gachi language. I study in SLC, 3rd division pass in my village school. My school very good, very nice. My father say, a good school, a good student. I am also good student. I am big man, I am a strong man, I am trust man. Sir, please trust me. I am very good jobber. Early morning to evening, whole day, whole night. I am very hard working. Hard means no khasi ko hard, no kukra ko hard. English HARD hard. I am very hard worker. No cheating, no compromise. You say I coming English or no coming? I coming English too much. I say my short love story for you in English. One day, one girl coming our village. She is very hard. Hard means no this type hard. No this type hard. This type hard. This type hard. I like this girl. I go this girl front side and dang say I love you. She say, excuse me brother, I am very angry. I say, oh madam, my father won't touch your mother. She angry with me. She suddenly slap my gala. I am also angry and I am also suddenly running her gala. She butlaying me. I also butlaying her. She and I butla killing. Police coming. I samar lagging. My love story is ending. What about my English, sir? My English, you thinking what?